Greetings, my name is Wade the Wallaby, and welcome to a recording. Now perhaps I have something special. If you notice that I'm actually recording on my iPad mini. But as you can see here, this is a copper pipe. I was going to do an experiment with some magnets, but unfortunately they were not magnets. Vsauce, or whatever his name is, Michael, he described as other people describe it as a magnet I can put into this copper pipe that I got from the Home Depot. Basically, it's just copper. And this experiment failed. Although, I could tell you one thing. I have some other things. Since copper is, of course, electric dynamic, it is actually can be able to make magnetic fields and other stuff. But what is the point anyways? Well, the point is you can make electricity out of it, magnetic fields and other stuff. And that's why if you drop a ball, magnet, or any type of magnet into here, well, it actually drops down. It creates a magnetic field. When the magnetic field generates, it creates sort of like, it minimizes gravity, but it's not reducing gravity because gravity is a mass. Now, of course, E equals mc squared, but that doesn't mean that it is gravity. But the problem is that gravity is a force that is not going down. It's just mass from the earth. But that doesn't mean. So each time it goes down, it creates a magnetic field and energy. Now, of course, why would I even have this? Well, it's copper. Smells weird, doesn't it? Now, of course, you probably would see copper pipes around your home, like a basement around here. But you rarely see any lead pipes, which are very heavy. But of course, copper does not rust, but it does oxidize. If you played Minecraft before, it turns into green color. In fact, it's actually much more nastier in real life. It's really nasty. In fact, copper is really kind of like a nasty color into, well, if you look very closer, I'm not sure you guys can see it, there are some differentiations of color. We have a pinkish type of color, but in the middle is like a bit more. They were inside of slab, they were like in a, how to explain, but it is not raw copper because it has to have a coating to protect it. Now, I don't know much about the coating they use, but the only way you can remove it is possibly use acids. Probably like corrosive acids. But I was thinking about making it shiny, but I realized that this copper is copper. Why not? Of course, you can go to any hardware store and you can get as much copper as you want. This one actually was $11. It actually was sort of cheaper than I thought it would. I thought it would have been like $20, but apparently this was actually $11. But now, of course, prices may change of locations because this is a resource. Copper is in the periodic table of elements. I don't know what the element is, but it is what it is. Apparently, copper is used for like conducting electricity, but also it is, in my experience, cooler. For some reason, copper is actually pretty cold. I don't know about me, but I'm not good at chemistry, but sometimes I've been rubbing it on my hands, or it could be that wasabi peas I've been eating, but somehow my hands are green. But that cannot be it. I know I'm jumping all over the place, but you know this is just a recording, not a live stream. And the reason why it's much more longer is because I finally have much more memory about this. And I guess when I publish this, I can delete it. It's annoying when my mom puts videos on there, which I don't delete them. I wish I could, but I don't want to get her angry. So I wonder if I can get this thing a bit more spicing up. Now, yeah, I could use, what am I even saying? But, yeah, I'm going to see if I can get a magnet, and if I do, a better magnet, possibly much more stronger, it will do exactly it should do. I'm not like an experiment person, but you know what? It's called entertainment and fun. And why not spend a little money, just a little bit of a copper piece? Copper can do a lot of things, not just oxidize. But of course, in Minecraft, there's only two things you can do with it. You can use it with amethyst, which actually amethyst is actually, speaking of amethyst and copper, which is here, my mom has a ring that actually has real amethyst and 2 diamonds. No, I think it was 1 diamond, 2 amethysts. I don't know, but they're real. But that's real amethyst. It's like a crystal. You've seen in Minecraft, but they're not as big as, well, I'm not sure in gems, but if they've been in gems, it has to be in a gem bubble, just like quartz. Of course, they are valuable and stuff, but I'm not an expert of geometry. No, not geometry. I should say prospecting. I'm not good at that. But, you know, it's a bit dirty. I haven't cleaned it out yet. But anyways, that's a weird word I said. It's just copper. Nothing else to it. I don't even know why I'm talking about copper. It's actually pink. Yeah, amethyst. Oh man, I'm jumping all over the place. Minecraft. You add an amethyst lens. And you can make a spyglass, or you can make a lightning rod. Which in real life you can make lightning rods out of copper. Stick it up like this. This is like in my head. But yeah. It's like, I don't know what you call it. Well, anyways, just want to test the camera out. Well, it's probably didn't been tested, but I just want to see how well the resolution is. I'll see you guys in the next entertainment. See ya.